Measurements. The study of physics is based on observations and experiments, and asks basic questions as how big is an object, how much mass does it have, how far did it travel. To answer these questions, they make measurements with various instruments, meter sticks, stopwatch, etc. The measurements of physical quantities are expressed in terms of units, which are standardized values. The size of the quantity to be measured is then found with an instrument having a scale marked in the unit. Scientists all over the world try to use the same unit to measure the same quantity. The system of units accepted all over the world is called System International Units, or SI units. The SI system is a set of metric units now used in many countries. It's a decimal system in which units are divided or multiplied by 10 to give smaller or larger units. Three basic quantities we measure in physics are length, mass, and time. Length. The unit of length is the meter, and we measure distance by comparing objects or distance with standard length. The meter is the distance traveled by light in a vacuum during a specific time interval. At one time, it was the distance between two marks on a certain metal bar. A rule is an instrument used to measure distance, and measuring length with a rule is a familiar task. If we have to express distance larger and smaller than the meter more accurately, use the multiples and submultiples of the meter. The value of the units go from 10 to 10, the same as our numeration system. This makes unit conversion easier. To cover a larger distance, we use the multiples of meter. Decameter, 10 times 1 meter. 1 decameter is 10 meters. Hectometer, 100 times 1 meter. 1 hectometer is 100 meters. Kilometer, 1,000 times 1 meter. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. When the distance is smaller than 1 meter, we use the submultiples. Decimeter, meaning the 10th part. So 1 decimeter is 1 over 10 meters. Centimeter, meaning the 100th part. So 1 centimeter is 1 over 100th meter. Millimeter, meaning the 1,000th part. So 1 millimeter is 1 over 1,000 meter. Pay attention in this example.